Hello and welcome all. I am going to explain about a dream. Dream is a series of thoughts, vision or feelings that happen during sleep. An idea or vision that is created in your imagination and that is not real, but something that you have wanted very much to do be or have for a long time. A sequence of images, ideas, emotions and sensations that occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stage of sleep is known as dream. Then what is sleep cycle? Sleep cycle comprises of 4 stages and about 90 to 120 minutes. And different stages are there. First stage is 5 to 10 minutes. The body and muscles starts to relax in 5 to 10 minutes. Body muscles to relax. And in second stage, person brain activity and heart rate and breathing start to slow down and you are beginning to reach a state of total relaxation. Now in third stage, that person get deeper into sleep in third stage. And now in stage 4, stage of sleep, when any person dream, it is also referred to as active sleep or REM sleep. REM sleep is a rapid eye movement sleep and it is a unique phase of a sleep in mammals and birds and characterized by random rapid movement of the eyes, by low muscle tone throughout the body and sleeper to dream. And why REM sleep important? Because REM sleep is important to your sleep cycle because it stimulates the area of your brain that are essential in learning and making or retaining the memories. Okay. And then the sleep cycle repeats itself on average 3 to 5 times per night and may repeat as many as 7 times, and this is how a person dreams several times in one night. And when any person dream, then that person body faces some changes and adrenaline rises and also blood pressure is also increased and your heartbeat faster. And during a typical lifetime, people spend an average of 6 years dreaming and only 12% of people dream in black and white. Okay. And sleep might be disturbed during the night, but the mind interprets the disturbance and makes it a part of a dream. And then 5 minutes after the end of dreams, and 50% of the content is forgotten during the dream, and after 10 minutes 90% is forgotten. And animals also dream. Then there are different types of dreams. First one is daydreams, then second one is lucid dreams, third one is nightmares dream, fourth one is recurring dreams, and last one is epic dreams. Daydream. Daydream occurs when you are half awake, and it is the imaging or remembering of images or experiences in the past or future. The daydream is a fantasy you have while you are awake, and also daydreams are pleasant and they can be so absorbing that they distract you from what's going on around you. Okay. Now, lucid dreams. Lucid dreams occurs when you realize you are dreaming, and the dreamers can reassure him or herself that it is only a dream and that he or she will soon awaken. Okay. It means a lucid dreams are when you know that you are dreaming while you are asleep, and you are awake that the events flashing through your brain are not really happening, but the dreams feels vivid and real. It means dreams feel real, and you may even be able to control how the action unfold. Now, next one is nightmares dream. What is the nightmares dream? Nightmare is a disturbing dream that causes you to awake up feeling anxious and frightened. Feeling anxious and frightened, and also occurs because you have ignored or refused to accept a particular life situation. That is known as nightmares dreams. Okay. Now, recurring dreams. Recurring dreams repeat themselves with little variation in story or themes, any type of story or themes. And these dreams may be positive or negative, but most often they are nightmarish in content. And last is epic dream. What is epic dream? They are so memorable and vivid or real, and that we simply cannot ignore them, and its details remain in your memory for years as if you have dreamed it last night. Then what is the treatment of sleep disorder? There are different treatments of the sleep disorder, like medications. In medications, sedative or hypnotic medications like benzodiazepine binds with the GABA A receptor and modulates the effect of GABA, and like temazepam and astazolam. And diazepam is a long acting, and safer hypnotic agents are lorazepam. This is the safer. This is the safer. Safer hypnotic agents are lorazepam, temazepam, and zolpidem. And there are different side effects include REM, sleep rebound, daytime memory impairment, respiratory depression in patients with pulmonary diseases, and may lose sleep inducing efficacy with prolonged use. And other sedating agents in patients with chronic insomnia, and 22% report using ethanol as a hypnotic. And like over the counter sleeping pills contain sedating Antihistamines usually diphenylhydramine like chloral hydrate. Now, antidepressant. In antidepressant, sedating antidepressants includes the tricyclic like amitriptyline, amipramine, and nortriptyline, etc., in which trazo is done, and the newer agents is this is a newer agents of antidepressant, mirtazapine. Okay, this is the newer agent of antidepressant, mirtazapine and nefazodone. And now next one is stimulant. Stimulant like narcolepsy is treated with stimulants such as dextroamphetamine sulfate or methylphenidate. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem, you can comment. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe.